smiles. He's basking in all the glory at the Salt Lake Stadium. What a moment.
लियो मेसी उनके डायना पे हैं जो रोड्रिगो डी पॉल, उन्होंने गए हैं अभी इंटर मियामी में खेलने के लिए। और लियो मेसी के बहुत ही करीब के दोस्त लुइस सुआरेज़, उन्होंने मेंशन किए एल पिस्टोलेरा, उनको कहे जाते हैं द गन मैन, एंड व्हाट नंबर ऑफ गोल्स ही स्कोर्ड, व्हाट इनक्रेडिबल गोल्स, leave besides his on-field antics and maybe a little bit of off-field activities, but they are all greats. But the greatest is also here. सारी स्टेडियम, सारी निगाहें हमारे अब हैं लियो मेसी के ऊपर।
Yes, a couple of World Cup champions there, Rodrigo de Paul and Leo Messi already waving to the crowd. 5-time La Liga champion Luis Suarez, Copa America champion as well, but three of them most recently MLS Cup champions coming all the way from Inter Miami. What a grand occasion this is, and they have been in sold out stadiums. They have played World Cup finals, Copa America finals, Champions League finals, but still I'm sure they will be feeling the electricity here at the Salt Lake Stadium.
Liam, I'm very sure if you were sitting in the International Space Station today, this row will possibly reach that. Believe me, Kolkata has had the record before. We talked about derbies, but this is something different, something from a different dimension where gods and monsters trade alike.
The great Uruguayan won 3 international games for his country. He scored 69 goals, and Rodrigo Javier de Paul for Argentina. He scored just 2 goals because he's a defensive midfielder and played 83 games, and he's being introduced, all the players being introduced to the Indian legends. And again, this is a wonderful moment, a fanboy moment.
They're legends in their own right of Indian football, but when you come up against the GOAT and you see him in the flesh, you get a few autographs in as well. This is fantastic to see from the great man. A few autographs on the jerseys which will be cherished forever and ever. Nice to see Rodrigo de Paul just enjoying the sun, soaking in the sun here in Kolkata.
Loves it. He absolutely loves it, and I think this is what it seems as all. Just see the celebrations in the stands. It is a festival. Yes, Christmas is around the corner, but we now have a pre-Christmas festival, and that is called the GOAT Tour. Lionel Messi arriving in the city of joy.
And just to see the close-ups of the fans, many of them in tears, such an emotional moment. So attached are the Indian faithful, the Kolkata faithful to the great man and to the game of football itself. You saw a quick celebration there. Somebody just got an autograph of Messi and goes on celebrating like they scored a goal.
लियो मेसी के संग में रोड्रिगो डी पॉल और लुइस सुआरेज़ भी है, और ये पश्चिम बंगाल की जो क्रीड़ा मंत्री जो है अरब विश्वास, वो भी घूम रहे हैं, और इन सारे खिलाड़ियों से भी वो परिचित हो रहे हैं। हैंडशेक्स कस्टमरी, ये जो क्षण जो है, ये एक खिलाड़ी के लाइफ में, किसी के भी लाइफ में बहुत ज्यादा आता नहीं।
In fact, a lot of players won't even get it. It's a once-in-a-lifetime moment. It's like a dream that you see in the wildest of your dreams. It has come true today. And that's why, Liam, you just said, getting an autograph and celebrating it, believe me, that's more to him than possibly winning a World Cup.
এবিপি আনন্দ এগিয়ে থাকে, এগিয়ে রাখে।